चिडतोय बाबू शिकवले गेले.
Hey guys, this is Shreya. Welcome back to the Doctor.Traveller. And today we are going to Osaka. It's been 4 beautiful days in Tokyo, and to be honest, we are already feeling a little nostalgic. From getting used to the trains, to figuring out food, to slowly blending into the rhythm of the city. Tokyo taught us a lot. This place was our introduction to Japan, our first hello, and now it's time to say see you later. But hey, the excitement isn't over yet. Today we are hopping on a Shinkansen, Japan's famous bullet train, and heading to the vibrant city of Osaka. We took the Asakusa line from Honjo-Azumabashi station straight to Shinagawa Station, one of the key hubs for catching the bullet train. From Shinagawa, we boarded the Shinkansen, Japan's high speed bullet train, and set off on our exciting journey to Shin-Osaka Station. The entire route was super smooth and yes, totally covered under our JR pass. This was our first ever ride on the legendary Shinkansen. These trains can go up to 320 kilometers per hour. That's almost like flying on the ground. Inside, it was super quiet, clean, and honestly, it doesn't even feel like you're going that fast. It's smooth, peaceful, and the seats are really comfy. Honestly, the Shinkansen isn't just a train, it's an experience you have to try if you're in Japan. After a smooth and super fast ride, we finally arrived at the Shin-Osaka station. But our day wasn't over yet. We had to make our way to our Airbnb, which was around 15 to 20 minutes walking distance from Namba station, one of the main areas in Osaka. So from Shin-Osaka, we hopped onto the Osaka Metro Midosuji line, and after about 15-20 minutes, we reached Namba station. From there, it was a bit of a walk, but honestly, walking through a new city with your luggage and your sibling, and that feeling of, okay, this is our next stop, it has its own charm. So, this is our Airbnb in Osaka. Let's do a quick tour. Like most homes in Japan, it's compact, minimal, and super functional. There's a little kitchen space just enough to fix up something quick if needed. A small bathroom, but everything so neatly designed, very space smart. And here's our sleeping area. Cozy, clean, and just what we need for the next few days. See, it's kinda cute. Japanese houses really make you rethink how much space you really need. After reaching the Airbnb and settling in a bit, we quickly freshened up and got ready to head out. Because we couldn't come to Osaka and not see Dotonbori on our very first evening here. It's one of the most famous streets in Osaka, full of lights, street food, and the vibe is just unreal. The area we are staying in is just a little walk away from Namba station. Kind of a
Osaka.
quiet
We are
residential
at
neighborhood
Osaka.
tucked right into the city.
कोणची मार्केट
We are going towards Dotonbori market in Osaka. आम्ही वयतात दोतोंबरी मार्केटी.
comic books.
Can you guys see that? Yeah, we didn't. We just walked right in. Let's just say it wasn't the kind of comics we were looking for.
Okay, no.
Moral of the story? Always read the signboards, especially the ones with big 18 on them.
പക്ഷേ
Good stuff? Good stuff?
करतोय पापशी मध्ये गेली.
That's it for our first day in Osaka. The city has its own vibe, different from Tokyo but just as special in its own way. Travel keeps reminding me it's not about rushing, it's about soaking it all in. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Dr. Traveller.